In today's video, I will show you how to create short videos with captions in less than 2 minutes. Simply upload any clip, and the AI will generate a short video with synchronized caption. Check this out.
Okay, we can fight. There is an actual strategy on how to fight that. No problem. You got a kid in school who's a bully. He's bigger than you. He keeps bullying you. You have a strategy on how to beat the guy. You take a year, jiu-jitsu 2 years, this, that. Boom. One fight, he knows, I'm never going to touch Joe again. Screw this thing.
Now, let's jump straight into it. Start by going to Opus Pro. This is a website that is AI operated and can turn a 10 minutes clip into 60-second short videos that are often used in TikTok and YouTube Shorts. There are 2 ways to upload a video. You can copy the URL link from any YouTube video and paste it in the box, or you can upload manually from your PC. I will be uploading a video from YouTube, and it's from a podcast called The Joe Rogan Experience. They seem to be discussing politics and economics, so I will copy the link and paste it in the box, and hopefully it will generate a short video that will go viral. Click on Get Clips in 1 click, and wait a couple of minutes for your shorts. This can take some time because of the high traffic to the site. You can close the window while you're waiting, because you will receive an email with a link to your short clips once it has finished processing your video. While I'm waiting for the AI to process the video, let me show you what you can expect.
The first thing is you want to make sure that the people actually want what you have. And the bigger the problem that you solve, the more money you make for it. Right? 2 is you want the marketplace to be growing rather than shrinking. The third one is you want them to have the spending power.
So I guess my question to you, especially given your experience at Panera Bread, would be, what is changing about consumer preferences in the food industry? And do you think that we're going to see a decline in the staple fast food?
We're here in the Hornets Arena. Well, we better go warm up. I think we got this dub, easy dubs, you know what I'm saying? LaMelo's not really like that, but we're making our NBA debut tonight, y'all.
One particular cool feature is the split layout, which divides the screen into 2 halves vertically. This makes for a better viewing experience on mobile phones, because you can see both people's reaction in real time. I have now received a push notification on my phone, which means my short clips are ready. Now, here is a quick overview of the layout. Once it is finished, it will generate multiple short clips depending on the original video length and content. They are numbered and given a title that best describes the topic of the clip, and these are usually designed to be attention-grabbing. They are also given a popularity score on the right, which indicates the likelihood that the clip will go viral on social media platforms. Let's see what the first clip looks like.
I'm not doing this no more, right? There is a play to it. When you have this much, Joe, 88% of S&P 500 companies, that is a form of a monopoly. If I'm a president, whether it's a Trump or whoever else goes out there and does it, our monopoly law in America is 50%. They say 50%. Like if you tie and said, at what point is it 50%? I've done calls with the FTC. Like we had one of our guys' technology we were using. The FTC called and said, hey, we want to have a call with you because they're thinking about buying this other technology company and we're worried it's going to be a monopoly. So we had the call, okay? At the end of the call with us, with a bunch of different people, we said we love their product, we love their product. That deal didn't end up happening, okay? The monopoly law. Some of these guys are influencing it. But they say 50% is a monopoly law. Do you know how many people in America have an iPhone versus Droid? Do you know what the numbers, market shares in America with iPhones?
I think it's like 60.
50. I'm not doing this no more, right?
Okay, now let's see what editing options we have by clicking on Edit. We can edit the caption, and we can also do some branding. Let's start with the caption. Here you can change the color of each word, or you can replace a word with an emoji. Under Brand, you can play with whether you want 3 lines or 1 line of text at a time. You can also play with the position of the caption. Screen overlay is where you can upload your logo or brand and use it as a watermark. Make sure the image has a transparent background. Watch my other video on how to remove the background of any image with one click. The video will be in the description box below. You can also change the font attributes and the font color. You can play around with it until you have something that works for you. If you don't want any emojis on your caption, simply toggle it off. You can also choose whether you want the title of the clip to be shown at the beginning or not. If the uploaded video has two people in view at the same time, you can select the split layout setting and it will automatically stack their faces on top of each other. You can change the aspect ratio if you click on Fit. When you're done editing, click on Save and Compile. Wait a few moments, and the video should be ready for download.
I'm not doing this no more, right? There is a play to it. When you have this much, Joe, 88% of S&P 500 companies, that is a form of a monopoly. If I'm a president, whether it's a Trump or whoever else goes out there and does it, our monopoly law in America is 50%. They say 50%. Like if you tie and said, at what point is it 50%? I've done calls with the FTC. Like we had one of our guys' technology we were using. The FTC called and said, hey, we want to have a call with you.
Before I finish this video, I would like to remind you that this site is free. You get up to 120 clips free, but if you want more than that, you will have to buy a plan. For $38 a month, you will get 100 HD clips. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.